doesn't.
Yeah! Yeah! Rico. Sugar trap, ill. Rule number Don't worry about it.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name's Ivy, and today I'm going to be making another video on this look, which is like a purple cut crease look. I hope you guys do enjoy. I hope you guys are staying safe right now with this whole coronavirus going around. Make sure you're staying home. Don't go out unnecessarily. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, let's just get right into the video. So we're gonna be using this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette thing. I'm gonna use the colors in here. I don't know, but I'm gonna take this color right here. So at first I intended for this look to be a pinkish look, but it didn't end up like that. It ended up being purple. So you see the purple I'm pointing at right there? That's what I'm going to use to add some dimension to my eyes. That one. Now we're going to do a cut crease, which I'm very nervous about. Okay, I found it. So I'm gonna take the concealer in here and put that on my lid. I have like a hooded eye, so I don't know how to do this. Anyways, it's alright, we'll see. I'm gonna take this color and pack it on over there in the middle. I know this brush is small. I don't think it's the best for this, but I'm gonna use the purple again. Kind of brush it into the inner corner. And blend that out. It's not too harsh. You know what? This is not even a purple look anymore, or a pink look. It's gonna be like more like a purplish. So I feel like this color is too bright for me. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it with this, which is my favorite, by the way. So see, like, I feel like I'm ruining the look. I'm having trouble here. Anyways, I'm gonna do the second eye. I am back, and I think I finally got this figured out. It turned out looking nice. So we are gonna go to the face. I'm gonna be doing my face makeup. And yeah, you're gonna watch me do that, and that's all I gotta say. Well, that's crazy. pretty. Now I'm gonna take one of my brushes and take my Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna take this purple right here and just put it under my eye.